How to research highly searched keywords for your next blog post. I once heard that you could give away free gold and still not be successful if you weren't able to get word out about what you were doing. This is something that a lot of blog owners and even big businesses seem not to understand when it comes to SEO. Okay, let's put it another way. If you are a huge influencer, followed by millions of people who hang off your every word, then there's nothing to stop you from posting about whatever you like. You can share opinions as they come to you, and you'll get an audience. But if you're like most people and you struggle to find an audience for your content, then you need SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of refining what you're writing in order to gain the maximum traction on Google. More specifically, it means identifying terms, called keywords, that people search for regularly. This means that you can get your article to turn up in search results, which in turn provides a way for the right people to find it. If you don't do any SEO, and you don't have a massively engaged social media following, then there is almost no point in writing the article, because no one can read it. And even if you can get a big audience from your social media sharing initially, it's SEO that will give your post evergreen potential. That means people will keep finding it for years to come, and you'll keep making money from it. But enough beating around the bush. How do you go about researching the keywords and terms that people will search for? The first tip is to find the right tool. A great example is keywordtool.io, which is extremely powerful and has a comprehensive suite of features that also help you to succeed on platforms like YouTube. Keywordtool.io is just one example of a premium keyword tool. It is not cheap and may be outside the budget of many smaller entrepreneurs. To that end, you can make do with Google's keyword tool. This is a free option, though it is significantly less powerful and hides a lot of data from the user. Either way, you'll type a keyword that is relevant to the topic of your post into one of these tools, and you'll then be presented with a number of potential phrases that generates a lot of traffic. You should then pick one of these and perhaps 2 or 3 related terms. But there are a couple of things to consider. Firstly, is this term relevant to what you're writing about? Most importantly, does it have the right intent, and does it appeal to your target audience? Intent is an extremely important and often misunderstood concept in SEO. This means considering why someone is using the phrase and what you can discern about the type of person who does. Are they looking to buy something? Do they want quick information or a longer deep dive? Does your post deliver? You should also think about the potential geographical implications of that phrase. Are they based locally? Finally, think about how much competition is surrounding the key phrase and whether you are likely to be able to stand out in a crowded market. Starting with less popular terms, then gradually going for more and more in-demand phrases is a good strategy. There are many more aspects to researching the best keywords for your posts, but hopefully this presentation has set you off to the best start. Happy hunting! Want to get more social media followers? Use these 5 growth hacks. Social media is an extremely powerful resource that has massive potential for bloggers, business owners, and anyone trying to drive more traffic to a website or other online platform. There are plenty of reasons for this, ranging from the fact that it lets you communicate with your audience and build a relationship, to the fact that social media has the potential for viral sharing built in. Whatever the case, you need to spend some time growing these accounts. This is how you do that in an effective and efficient manner. Promote from other platforms. Imagine a creator called Jeff. Jeff has a popular YouTube channel with 150,000 subscribers, but his Instagram account is just failing to gain any kind of traction. What should Jeff do? One answer is to create a YouTube video promoting that Instagram account. Jeff might make a video about a certain type of fitness, for instance, and then recommend the viewers go to his Instagram page to see the full workout. This seems obvious, but it's something that a lot of creators fail to consider, and it can lead to thousands of new followers almost instantly. Advertise. This may again seem obvious, but bear with me for a moment. Advertising on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube is of course an easy way to get clicks and likes. But what it can also do is to significantly increase your brand awareness. In other words, an advert means you gain exposure, which in turn can lead to people searching for your brand on that platform. What's more is that a great video ad or image can actually gain you a like even if the person doesn't click the ad. That can mean free followers almost instantly. Use social links on your website. Another way to cross-pollinate your platforms is to add social links to your website. Every new blog post should have buttons that let visitors share that content easily. Moreover, your homepage itself should have links to your social media presence so that people that want to get more information from you can find it. Be active in the community. Too many people view social media as a kind of megaphone for getting their message out, and forget that it is actually a forum for two-way communication. In other words, if you want to use social media to its fullest potential, then you need to use it as it was intended, to communicate with your followers. So ask questions, share posts, and hang out on other pages. Moreover, you should also head elsewhere. Get on Reddit and visit websites with forums. Aim to be known in the industry niche, and people will follow you because they want to communicate with you more. Ask for shares. Finally, there is nothing wrong with asking for shares. Make sure to remind people that they can follow you on social media and invite them to share your posts with their friends. If you are providing value, then they will actually want to help you.